Hey everyone, I'm Rachel Quenzer from sugarmaplefarmhouse.com, and today I'm going to make a lemon shortbread cookie for you. I know at holiday time everybody kind of thinks of chocolate and peppermint, but winter is actually citrus season and these cookies are a family favorite. To start, I'm just going to go ahead and combine my sugar and some melted softened butter. Get that in there. And then I'm going to use a hand mixer to mix. You actually don't need a stand mixer, you can use this in your hands. Once you mix together your sugar and your butter, you're going to get a light and fluffy mixture that looks like this. Then you're going to go ahead and start adding the other ingredients. So first we're going to add in some lemon juice. Then we're going to add in some lemon, some baking powder, 1 egg, a little vanilla, and some honey. Then we're going to mix all that together again. Once all those ingredients are mixed, we're going to add our flour, and we're going to add a little flour at a time. Adding just a bit, and then we're going to mix again. Once everything is all mixed together, I'm going to use a melon baller to help shape our cookies and give us a consistent size. Just going to roll them into a ball and then place them on the cookie sheet. Once you have all the cookies on the cookie sheet, you're going to go ahead and take a glass or a cup and you're going to smash them down just a little bit. Once you've flattened out the cookies a little bit, you're going to stick them in the oven at 375 for about 10 minutes. While the cookies bake, I'm going to go ahead and make a little glaze for the top. I'm just going to add some powdered sugar, some milk, and a little vanilla to the bowl. And then I'm going to mix it all together. Once the cookies are done, I'm going to immediately take them off the baking sheet and put them on a cooling rack. This is going to help them cool just a little faster, and they're going to take about 30 minutes in total to cool before you can add the glaze. Now that the cookies have cooled, I'm going to go ahead and add the glaze, and I'm just going to drizzle it on. Now that all the cookies are glazed, we're going to add a little lemon zest to the top. Once the glaze is dry, you can go ahead and serve them. And don't they look amazing? Thank you guys so much for joining me today. You can find the full recipe for these lemon shortbread cookies at sugarmaplefarmhouse.com. Thanks again, everyone. So good.